welcome back to MORGBORG Tech. This is my retro unboxing of the Motorola 120t on Cingular. The T in 120t stands for TDMA, which is the phone technology that this phone right here uses. I've actually been looking to pick one of these up for a while, any 120 to be specific, because I've actually been needing a battery from one of these to put into my 120 on Quest. And I can just tell you right now, that phone does work. I picked this phone up a while ago, but I never made a video about it. I think it's been about a month at this point. I got it for about 20 bucks after taxes and shipping on eBay. And yeah, as you can see, this little sleeve here, it's actually a sleeve and not part of the box itself. As you can see, it kind of slides out. It's kind of beat up, but you can be rest assured that what's underneath is actually in pretty good shape. So let's just go over what's on the sleeve of this box. As you can see here, KIIC, keep in contact. That's the name of Cingular's prepaid pay-as-you-go service. As you can see here, it's pay-as-you-go because it gives you rates for minutes, and it tells you what you can do with the KIIC plan. Down here is the Cingular logo and their slogan, fits you best. Here's a picture of the phone itself with that same prepaid branding, and the phone brand and the model, which is the 120t. Right here it tells you what's included in the box. You can pause and read that. On the back here is what was on the front side of the sleeve, and you can pause and read that as well. It's just in Spanish right here. And then this right here is what was on the other side of the sleeve, but in Spanish. So let's just take this off here. As you can see here, here's the actual box, Cingular wireless, the phone once again, Motorola Intelligence Everywhere 120t. Here's some features of the phone, which you can read right here. And here's this back here, basically your welcome message, welcome to Cingular. Once again, what the box includes. On the bottom is just some FCC information. And on the right side here is just some barcodes and some information, including the fact that this is a 2002 phone. So with that, let's get into the box. There's not much to this here. I actually already charged the battery because I found that it was completely dead, so then I could actually turn it on in this video. So on top here is the sealed user's guide. Digital wireless telephone, model 120t, TDMA once again. This right here, it's already come open. This is the charger. This was not sealed, so I can just show you this. This is a proprietary thing here, exclusive to Motorola phones. Here's the battery. It's definitely a chunky battery, that's for sure, which I charged, like I said. And here's the back cover, which is actually sealed. So I'm going to go get this cut open and taken out of the package. And just like that, here's the back. Just a little plastic piece here with another smaller piece to remove the back from the phone. And the last thing in here is the phone itself with a screen protector, which looks like it's bubbling. So let's get cleaned up here and then stick the battery into the phone. So here's the phone and the battery. It just fits in like this. And the back cover just simply snaps on. You can tell that this back cover is brand new. And let's take off this screen protector here. Definitely some strong adhesive on there. And now before I turn on the phone, I'm going to go over the buttons on here and ports. So here are your two selection keys, your menu key, your navigation, which is only up and down. There is no left and right with this phone. Your end, send button, your number pad, and your Cingular logo. Up here is the little mascot, if you will, for Cingular. The Motorola logo, the earpiece, right here. This is all the earpiece with another Motorola logo. Here's the antenna, which sticks out. Here's your power button, a headphone jack, volume control, your charge port. I'd have to figure out what this is. On the back here, your antenna, the V logo, and the back cover itself. This phone is definitely very basic, if you cannot tell. This is actually a budget phone, and it was released on many different networks with CDMA and TDMA variant. One of the other networks actually being released with the TDMA version would be TracFone. There's a Motorola 120t on TracFone, and I've actually seen those on eBay before, and I've thought about buying them. So now let's turn on the phone. As you can tell, this is a brand new phone because the first 3 digits for the phone number were zeros, which means this thing has never been activated. It has a monochrome screen, if you can't tell. Very small, kind of like the C139, which was also released on Cingular. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, peace.